Alright, y'all, what do you think? Pretty good mechanic for a massage therapist, I'd say. Heck yeah, baby. Heck yeah. Man, I know my dad is smiling down right now. The mechanic he was, and as much as he tinkered, he's smiling down on me right now. Praise the Lord. Heck yeah. Now it's just a matter of getting the pipes off and then coming and getting them out. I think I'm done for the day though. I got pretty far. And I can take my time. I do want my truck back, but I will take my time. Alright. Enjoy. We're real close now. And the yard's getting mowed all at the same time. Tear apart an engine, mow the yard. We do it all around here. Doesn't look too bad, really. Not much sun out, so it's hard to see down in there, but I can see the shaft. Ha! I said shaft. Crankshaft, that is. Yes, sir. Get her done. Alright, later, peeps.